Hey guys, Joe again at Access Auto. We've got a 2004 Jeep Wrangler TJ/LJ because it's the long wheelbase one with the extended back end, kind of like the old Scrambler. The truck is an automatic, very clean for the year, four-wheel drive of course. It's got that straight six unbeatable motor, 10,995. We also have a 3 1/4 or 3.5 inch lift kit because we are a rough country dealer that we're going to put on this. It's going to bump the price up some, but you're going to get a 3.5 or 3 1/4 inch lift kit with it. It's got gentle grabbers on it, plenty of meat on those tires, alloy rims, hard top, which is another bonus because the soft tops are pretty cheap for these if you wanted to get one. It's got the standard bumpers, it's got a tow hitch. And just to show you the extra length on the back on this, not as much as the brand new Unlimiteds, but it's a decent amount of space compared to just the regular short TJ. We do a lot of Jeeps here. We do lift kits for them. We work on the engines. This one's in very good condition for a 2004. I'll just pop the hood real quick and show you the engine. It's that straight six motor once again. Excuse my camera skills here for a second while I get the hood open. There it is. Nice and clean, really dry under there. Looks like we haven't cleaned the motor on this yet or shined it up in any way, but just to show you that's how we got it. So I'm just going to pop the door open quick and show you the interior. Let me just lock up this hood so nobody drives away with it open. There's the interior. Oh, that key's buzzing. Hold on. Interior is very clean. No major ripped seats or anything of that issue. I'll show you the back seat real quick. It's got the lights up on the bar and the speakers. It does have an aftermarket stereo. It does have air conditioning because it's got a hard top, which is nice. Four-wheel drive with the selector. Has cruise control. And this one's got 137,335 on it, which is it's just a baby as far as miles go. Roll-up windows. It is a Jeep, guys. So roll-up windows. I love it. Not much to break. So come on down to Access Auto Sales and Service, 68 Fuller Road, 489-1100. Give us a call or accessauto2.com and get yourself a nostalgic Jeep for the summer. Pop the top and go cruising. Come on down and get this one.